Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading regular currency pairs here. I have all my currency pairs lined up above the candlestick chart here. And I'm going to be utilizing two indicators. So the indicators are first the Parabolic SAR or the Parabolic Stop and Reverse and the Williams percent R indicator. For the Parabolic SAR settings, I have the acceleration set to 0.03, maximum acceleration set to 0.3, and in the style settings, I've increased my line width to 2 pixels green. And for the Williams percent R indicator, I have the period set to 10, and in my style settings, I've also increased the line width to 2 pixels for all the lines here, the main line, the minus 20 and the minus 80 line. Okay. And for my candlestick chart, I have the candlestick set to 1 minute regular Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I also have it set to 2 minutes. So I'm going to be taking 2 minute trades while looking at these 1 minute Japanese candles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay, so I'm on the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, if you notice here, there's a general bullish trend in the price. As we see here, the price is moving from bottom left to top right. Second of all, the Williams percent R line just crossed over the 20 line, the green 20 line, in an upward direction here. Thirdly, the Parabolic SAR has begun to print below the candles here. The two green lines, the two green dots, excuse me. So all of these three confirmations suggest that there's going to be there's a bullish uptrend in the price over the next 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, the price is continuing to stay above the level, the entry point that we took the trade. The Williams percent R line is firmly above the green 20 line here. So the buyers are in control here, looking to push the price upward. Oh, great. So we won that trade. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay. So I just took a buy trade. I'm on the Aussie dollar Japanese yen currency pair here. And I just took a buy trade. Now, the reason why I took the buy trade, we're seeing a strong bullish uptrend overall in the price of the currency pair here. And then first trigger here, the Williams percent R line has crossed above the 20 line, the green 20 line, in an upward direction. And then also the fractals are printing below the candles here. So those three combinations suggest a bullish, continued bullish movement to the upside. We're trading with the trend here, which has been bullish in general. And the trigger is the Williams percent R line crossing over the green 20 line here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we got that trade. We got the entry right on time here as it continued to push upward. So these are fast 2-minute trades. So, okay, see how the price reverses back down, but all the signals were there for us to take a buy trade when I took the buy trade. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound US dollar currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, we're seeing a general bearish trend in the price of the currency pair here, as you see here from the top left to the bottom right here, as the price moves downwards. So we're trading with the trend here, with the bearish trend. In addition to that, my trigger is the Williams percent R indicator, just crossed below the red 80 line here, under the red 80 line in the downward direction. On top of that, the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print above the candles here. So with all three of these confirmations, this is telling me that there's a bearish push to the downside in the price of the currency here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Also, if you notice this red candle here, this big red candle closed below the previous level of support here. These previous two candles here, right around here, these wicks. So that was also a good sign. There'd be a bearish push to the downside, and this is exactly what's occurred here. So this was a very good trade. All the conditions were met. All the indicators were in alignment. Okay, great. So we won that trade. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair here, and I just took a buy trade. Okay, and the reason why I took the buy trade, you see here a strong bullish movement in the price of the currency here from the bottom left to the top right here. Strong bullish trend. In addition to that, the Williams percent R line crossed over the green 20 line here and up in the positive direction here. So that's the trigger. We look for the trend in the market. We see a nice strong trend. Williams percent R closes above the 20 line here, the green 20 line. In addition to that, we see the parabolic SAR dots begin to print below the candles here. So all three confirmations were met. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we also won that trade. So I'm going to end the session here. We had a very good session with these currency pairs. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment. If you have any comments, I'd like to hear them in the comment section. Uh, Share the video. Uh, Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet so you can keep up to date on my different strategies. I also have a link to the platform, the Pocket Option platform, either in the description or the comments or in the channel description of the video. And you can easily sign up, open a demo account to test the strategy before you decide to use real money. And that's what I recommend, that you open a demo account uh, and practice before you use real money. Okay. Uh, Also, I also use money management. My money management here, if you notice, I've been using about 5% of, 1% of my balance here for each trade. And that's good money management. You don't want to risk high amounts of your balance because a trade can go wrong. But if you use proper money management and consistently get wins, you're going to be able to grow your balance steadily. Okay, so thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt. See you in the next video.